If you're new here and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please click the red subscribe button and also click on the bell icon to get notifications whenever I'll upload a new video. Now that you have dived into the awesomeness, let's just see what we've got in today's video. Hi friends, welcome to FeatWidColors. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Divya and welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you enjoy this video. So let's just quickly jump into today's video. Today's video is going to be this eye makeup look which I created for you all, and I really love this makeup look. If you guys want to see how I did this, then please do keep on watching. I'm going to apply an orange color just above my crease. Blending it down, and I'm going to take a stiff blending brush and I'm going to use a magenta color, and I'm just going to apply it just below where I applied my orange color, and just ever so slightly, and start blending it downwards. Just trying to create a gradient effect, and you guys will see. I'm going to take a very thin blending brush and I'm going to use a purple color and apply it just below where I applied the pink color. That's done. I'm going to take another fluffy blending brush, then taking a royal blue color, tapping off the extra and applying it just below the purple color to create a nice cut crease. Now it's time for a bright green color. I'm taking glittery bright green color from whatever brand it is and applying it onto my lid. I took the color on a flat shaded brush and gently tapping it onto my eyelids to transfer the color. You can see there is no fallout and it's such a pretty green color. For my inner corners, I'm going to take a silver color from Electric Palette. That was so easy to create. Just you need patience and some time and practice to blend the colors, but I think if I can do it, anybody can do it. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed watching this video, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time in another video. Till then, take care and keep smiling. Bye.